This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Foothills number 31. A tornado has touched down near the Okotoks airport and is moving southeast at 20 km per hour. If you are in the affected area, seek shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.